Are you the dean at a nursing school? Would you like to see your graduates pass the NCLEX exams? Hi, my name is Dr. Pete Williams. I have a PhD in instructional design. After I passed med school and was studying for the boards, I realized something astounding. A lot of people can't pass the medical boards or the NCLEX exams. So I devised a system to help people pass these tests. Would it help your school to have more of your graduates pass the NCLEX exams? Our system has 4 steps. Number 1, know the material. Number 2, read each question carefully. Number 3, recognize the key concept. Number 4, recognize the twist. If your students can read and comprehend the material, recognize the key concepts, and recognize the twist, they can answer any question and pass the NCLEX exams. Would it help your school to have more of your graduates pass the NCLEX exam? Would that increase enrollments and reduce cost? What if you could get your students into IB learning at no cost to you or your school? We also tailor our learning to the student's favorite learning mode: visual, auditory, or hands-on, or kinesthetic. For more info, go to www.gomsbn.com, 407-955-3534.